Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan. Today we are going to apply custom or specific CSS for specific page using page ID in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our page. So we are going to apply custom CSS on specific page using page ID. Now go to edit page and then you see ID 10018. So we are going to use this ID in custom CSS. Now go to page again. So we are going to set padding 0 and border radius 0 for this section, for this page. Now go to customize section. So we are in additional CSS. Now paste, and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. So this is our class dot page -id. So this is our page ID. So you can add your page ID and then you can add your class or ID according to requirement, and then you can add your custom CSS. So we are going to apply this CSS on this page ID. So in this custom CSS, you can add your page ID, your class or ID, and then you can add custom CSS and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page again. Now you see and refresh the page. Now you see custom CSS apply on this specific page using page ID. Now open another page. Now you see again padding. Now go to home page. So we set padding 0. So you can add your custom CSS. Just add your page ID and then you can add your class or ID here. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.